Hello, my name is Erica and I'm the site director at Rosewood Park School from the Montebello School District, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool traveling water experiment. The materials we'll be using for this experiment are 7 cups, but only fill up 4 cups halfway with water, then leave 3 empty cups. We'll be using food coloring, using our primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow, and also 6 pieces of paper towels. First, we're going to start off by folding the napkins halfway twice. 1, 2. Once you have it like this, you're going to fold it in half again. And you're going to do that to every single napkin. Next, we're going to line up the cups in a row, starting with a cup with water, empty cup, a cup with water, another empty cup, a cup with water, empty cup, and your last cup with water, like this. Now I'm going to add the drops of food coloring, starting with red. I'm going to drop in 5 drops. Now let's add the napkins. After adding the napkins, we will wait a few hours until they soak up the water from one end to transfer it to the other, and then we'll wait a few more hours for the colors to mix. After 8 long hours of waiting, our waters have finally traveled. This is the result. So our empty cups now have some water, as you can see, and they've turned into our secondary colors. So red and blue made some purple violet looking color. Then we have blue and yellow, which made green. And then we have yellow and red, which made orange.